Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create these trending AI images like the ones you can see on the screen. With this AI generator you can easily create daily content that people can relate with and maybe post them on your WhatsApp status, your Instagram, Facebook and the others. With this AI tool, you can create images that speaks of your brand, which you can use to promote your business on social media. So what you want to do now is you go to your browser and search Bing Microsoft Image Creator. So you're just going to click on this and it's going to bring us to this page. So you will click on join and create and you click on sign in with a personal account, and here it will require you to put in your email address. So I'm just going to type mine, and when you're done you click next. And it says we email a code to your email address, please enter the code to sign in. So you just go to your email address and copy the code, and after typing the code you will click on sign in. So we've created an account and this is what the page looks like. So this is where you're to write, or rather type your prompt describing the image that you want the AI to generate. This is the number of times you have to generate images in a day, and these are free images that you can actually download and make use of. So what we want to do right here is, firstly we are going to type our prompt, what we want this AI to generate for us. So when you're done typing your prompt, you come to this button, this create button, and click on it. It will take some time to load, so let's hold on for a while. Okay guys, it gave us 4 options, so let's click through to see what we've got. Okay guys, you can see the image right here. Let's read what I actually described the AI. I said an African chubby child with a basket of fruits on his hands, wearing a blue shirt and brown shorts. That's what you can actually see here, the blue shirt and the brown shorts, this basket of fruits in his hands, um, running barefooted. You can see that also, with an old lady chasing him from behind, which you can see from the background, from behind in a local setting. You can see that, like, see what the AI actually generated for us. And with this arrow here, you can click on the arrow to see more options. Like, look at this. This is not bad at all. This is awesome. This is awesome. Yeah, you could just go to the download button and click on it to download, or we could come to this customize button right here and click on it. If you're not okay, you're not satisfied with the photos and you want to add or minus, you could click on the customize button. So we're just going to hold on for a while. Okay guys, so we are here now, and right here there are several tools that we can actually use in editing or enhancing our photos. Like, we have the filters right here, we have different options that we could actually play around with. And on this other side, we have templates that you can use. And here you can see the remove background. Like, um if you want the image without the background, you could also do that right here. You come right here and click on the download. So that's for that. So we are back here. Let me close this up and let's generate or create another image rather. So we are done describing the image that we want. So I'm just going to click here to generate. Let's see what they have for us. And guys, look at this image. Let's click on it to see what you have. The prompt said an African young lady wearing a black color bone straight hair sitting by an office desk with an Apple laptop in an office setting wearing a colored shirt, wearing a rounded neck white t-shirt with an inscription and a paper design, which you can see right here. And you could go and check out the other options. And yes, you can actually use this medium to create um, awareness for your brand. Like the area where we have picture design, like the area where we have picture design. Picture design is my brand name. In this sense, you could actually edit this and place your brand name instead. And it's a very cool way of showing your brand off online. And that's it for this video, guys. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit these AI images, like how you can place your face on the AI images, as if you want your face to be on the image. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. So if you're interested in it, please let me know below in the comment section. And if you have any questions, also let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop my next video. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.